When I lift heavyweights, I feel like I'm a champion and I feel like I can do everything in life. I'm Dimpho Maboya. I'm 16 years old and I'm a weightlifter. I've been staying Soweto for my whole life. Soweto is a tough neighborhood to grow up in. There's crime in the neighborhood and also drug abuse and also teenage pregnancy. I'm quite new to the sport, but on my first national championship, I won a bronze medal. When I first started training, I was a little bit scared because I never thought that weightlifting it was meant for girls. But then when time goes on, I get used to it, then I ended up loving it. Now I'm training and I know this is for girls. I do well at school because I have improved a lot from my marks at school. If I do best at school, usually our coaches encourage us with our books, and also we do squats so that you can know that next time when you write your exams, you must do better. When I think of doing squats, yo dude, I feel like crying, so now I work hard so that next time I don't do squats.
You do what you do in the gym. The competition is not different to what you do in the gym. I guess.
One day I see myself participating at Olympics and winning a medal for my country, and to succeed in life, such as being a lawyer or a dentist. Weightlifting taught me not to disrespect people and always have discipline and work hard for my dreams and never give up.